Welcome back. We are logged into Rosum tool and now we are going to import the basic invoice document. Before that, I just want you to have a look at the document, how it looks. So this is the basic document we are going to take the data from. If you look at it, here is the vendor's name, here it's its address, invoice number, date, and who it is billed to, means the buyer. Let's focus on these many fields as of now and try to extract them and put it into an Excel. For doing that, just go to the Rosum tool and say import. Choose the file which you want to import. This is the one I'm talking about and say open and click done. You will see the file being processed by the tool and it's not ready for the review as of now. We'll start reviewing it once it is ready for review. Meanwhile, you can have a look at the received US invoice tab we have got here because we selected US as our region. Alright, I think we have the file ready. If you hover over your mouse on this name, you will see the preview. And if I click on start reviewing, it will open that document for the review. You can easily see it has picked up the invoice number from here and it is also letting us know from where it has picked up. Date, invoice date has been picked up from here. If I click on this, it will show us the mapping. Same way, if we scroll down, you can see the vendor name. Vendor name has been picked up from here. It is intelligent enough to identify the fields on its own and map them accordingly. Look at the address. Address has been picked up from here. Likewise, if you look at the customer name, you can see it is here. So all these mappings between the fields to be picked up and to the data on the PDF are created automatically by Rosum. This is the beauty of the tool. Now, the review of the mappings of this document, which we are currently performing, is completely relatable to training a machine learning model. And you may need to do some minor corrections in case you feel necessary. Now the customer address is not picked up by any of these fields. I see the customer name, but I do not see customer address. If I want this address to be captured in one of the fields, I'll have to identify an appropriate field. Let's say it is notes. Can we capture the customer address in notes field for now, just to understand the example? So, if I want address to be picked up in notes, I will have to create a mapping. For that, what would I do? I'll just click on this and highlight this area. See, it will just pick up all the text inside that area. And if I click this tick mark as yes, that's it. The address is captured. Only thing is we have the name of the field as notes as of now. Once you're done with this part, you can just confirm. And right after confirming, we come back to the landing page again. To go to the document which we just reviewed and extract the fields into the Excel format, what would we have to do? We'll have to go to exported part. And this is the one we recently reviewed. I'll just tick mark this and try to export it. We want it in Excel format, so I'll just click on XLSX format. And here we go. If you have a look at this Excel, you will see all these fields extracted. We have name of the file, we have invoice number, we have invoice date, and similarly we have vendor name, vendor address, Of course, we have the total tax and total amount and due amount. We will talk about the elements inside the table in that invoice separately, but currently we were more interested in vendor name, vendor address, and let me have a look at the notes part where we captured the address of the customer also. Of course, we have customer name in the correct field, which was picked up directly by Rosam. So do you understand what we have just done? We imported a document in the PDF format, which was an invoice of course, and using Rosam, we picked up all the relevant data which we needed and converted into a structured format in the form of Excel. Do you really think that this is useful? Now this structured data inside the Excel can be consumed by a RPA tool or any other tool which will be using this data to automate the invoice processing. Isn't it great? So this was a very simple example of picking up the data from a simple basic invoice, and we selected few fields which we got converted into the structured format into an Excel. Watch my next few videos to understand how to handle more complex formats of the invoices using Rosam. Thank you.